What's going on, guys? All right, so today we are doing something a little different. We're working on this old westernstar. She's a 99. She's an old girl. It's one of my dad's trucks. Jesus. COVID. He's got a couple issues with this thing. Turn line off the turbo is leaking currently, so we got one of those on order. But he also has a little bit of an issue with a exhaust manifold. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's leaking out of there. That's no good. It sounds like a bag of shit and smokes like a bag of shit. We're gonna pull off the turbo, pull off the exhaust. He's got a little exhaust leak there, so we'll fix that while we're in here. Pull all that off, pull basically this side of the motor apart. Hopefully it all comes off good, hopefully. Because I really don't want to have to extract bolts out of this thing. Alright, so we're just getting into this westernstar, and basically what we're going to do, pull the air-to-air tubes off, pull the intake tubes off, pull the exhaust off, pull that turbo off. So I'm just going to set the camera down. Johnny's going to start plugging away on pulling this all apart while I'm doing some welding. Mile away, boys, mile away. Johnny got her all out. A little bit of a spill, but it's all good. Get that all cleaned up. Go down to Premier and go and pick up some new stuff. Pull that out, finish pulling that out. Maybe we'll reroute this overflow line a little bit. Oh, Johnny's back. Some parts. Just put the return line back in. He's got the side of the block all cleaned up, so we'll get this put back together and see if she fires. Alright, so the exhaust, and we're just gonna put some band clamps on the exhaust. Turbo's back on. Johnny's got the air-to-air back on, the upper intake. We're just gonna prime the turbo, put some oil down in the turbo, and basically spin the prop just to make sure that it's got some oil in it before the truck fires up. And then yeah, fill her back up with some fluids and fire her up, see what she does. Exhaust leak. Yay! All right, well, we got this thing back together. It's the next day. I forgot to film my outro, so whatever. It is what it is. Everything bolted back up really nicely, torqued everything down, and she's a ripper again. Make sure you guys hit that Jesus Christ. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to check out some more content like this. Hit up our Instagram page, @ChromeDenvy. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the videos. Like I said, we're gonna keep popping this stuff out, so hopefully the next video isn't a big truck, because I want to do something fun. I want to work on my race car, really. As you can see, it's snowing, so it's time to work on the race car and not drive the race car. We'll see you guys next time.